How to create folder on GitHub. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create folder on GitHub. To create a folder on GitHub, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device. Once you open the web browser, on the address bar you need to type github.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GitHub. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now, before starting, note that you will not be able to create an empty folder directly. First of all, you need to create a new file and then only you will be able to add a folder. Here's how you can do it. Here, if you haven't created a repository yet, you can click on this create a new repository and then from there you can create one. I have already created one, so I'm going to click on this repository that I have already created. Once you click on it, you will reach inside it and here you will be able to see this add file option. Click on this add file and from this drop down select create new file. Once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here in the top left, you will find this box. Here first of all, you need to give a name for your folder. Once you give the name, now enter the slash key of your keyboard. After that, now you can name a file. Once after entering the name for your file, now you can click on this commit changes at the right side. Click on commit changes and a dialog box will appear. Here again you need to click on commit changes. Once doing that, you can see your folder has been successfully created. Double click on it and then there you will find your folder. So by following the steps, you should be able to create a folder on GitHub. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.